Before this video starts, I just wanted to quickly talk about why I'm actually making this video, and it's mainly because in 2016 I moved to Amsterdam with no job, a little bit of money, and I was really struggling to find work because I didn't speak Dutch, and yeah, I was having a really bad time. I started working in a Domino's just to pay my rent. That job wasn't actually that bad, but it didn't pay me a lot of money. So I started looking for things online and I stumbled across Upwork, and I've been working online pretty consistently for the last 6 years or 5 years ever since. I started SEO around that time, and I've been working in SEO since then, and it's been great. I've really enjoyed it. But the main reason I'm actually making this video is because of a lot of the videos I see about making money online are about making money online when you already have money, which, you know, it's easy to say, go and buy stocks, go and buy GameStop, go and buy property, land, but it's not realistic for a lot of people. It's very, very difficult to have that amount of money. So this video is supposed to help people who have no money, who are looking to make money online. If you're interested in joining the Facebook group that I've set up, it's Income Stream Surfers Making Money Online. Feel free to join, guys. I don't know what's going to happen with it, but yeah, check it out and maybe let's start to grow it. Okay, peace out. Hey guys, what is going on? Hamish here from Income Stream Surfers, and today's video is going to be about making money online when you have $0. Okay, I'm going to talk about some things that maybe you haven't thought of yet. So let's just start with the obvious ones. So Upwork. Upwork is a great freelancing website. It's free to join for freelancers. It can be difficult to get on, but it's definitely worth it if you can get on there, because you can make good money. Some problems with Upwork are sometimes they deny people when you're joining, so be careful. It's recommended that you use a business email, so an email that is attached to your business, so like Hamish at hamishseo.com or whatever. If I had my own business, you don't actually have to have your own business, but it's better that if you sign up with a freelancing business email, because they're more likely to accept you. Some advice that I have for Upwork is choose your niche. Okay, when I first started Upwork, I was a writer and I wasn't really finding work, and I didn't know why. This was 6 years ago now. And then I decided to niche down into SEO content writing, and from there I've moved into kind of a few more things. I'll just quickly show you my profile so you can have some idea of how to set up a profile. It's also recommended that you start with a low price and you work your way up. This isn't exactly accurate, although it's pretty close. I did get a few payments from outside of Upwork, and yeah, I mean, this is a little bit more. I worked hard on this this description, because I wanted to start getting clients again. But yeah, just work on your profile, guys. Once you get a few 5 stars, niche down, get some 5 stars, and then put your price up. Basically, I was working with a guy in Nigeria when I had my own website, and he was doing $5 for an article, and now he's getting $35 for an article, which in Nigeria is pretty good money. Obviously, to be a writer, you need a very high level of English, unless you're writing in a different language. So yeah, basically niche down. So another one is Fiverr. Obviously, Fiverr is also free. It's fairly easy to start ranking on Fiverr as well. I've only had one order, but this order has actually turned into a business relationship with someone, and I'm now their SEO guy in this company. So one order doesn't look like a lot. I haven't even been paid for it yet. I'm still waiting for the money because it takes 2 weeks, which, by the way, is another problem with these freelancing websites. It takes 2 weeks to get paid, and they take 20%, which is kind of fair when you think about it, because 20% of something is better than 0% of nothing. But yeah, just I recommend 7 gigs all around the same niche. Mine are all in SEO, I think, except this one here, which is more to do with just being a growth hacker in general. Yeah, this one that I wrote for a video hasn't started ranking, which I'm kind of annoyed about. I might have to redo it because I might have done something wrong. I might have to niche down further. I might have to write a blog post in a particular niche to kind of get the ball rolling, as we say. Okay, so that's freelancing website. Upwork and Fiverr, there are others, but I've got no experience in them, so I won't recommend them to you. The next one is actually teaching English, which is maybe one that people haven't really thought about. If you're not fluent in English, don't worry. You can potentially teach your own language online. I'm sure you can find people. A way to find people is to go on Facebook groups and look for people. So, for example, I'm in Italy. I'm a member of a expatriate group expatriate group, meaning I'm in a group of people who are from foreign countries, and occasionally people say things like, I'm looking for Italian lessons. So you could easily look for people who are looking for whatever language you speak fluently, okay? There are probably people online who want to learn every language. So you're going to have to look for yourselves. I'm obviously not experienced in finding teaching positions, but there are some really good opportunities for English speakers primarily. As I said, if you speak a different language, then don't be too disheartened. I'm sure you can look for other positions. But TEFL.com, which is teaching English as a foreign language.com, there are a load of schools at the moment who are looking for online teachers, which is really, really good. And a lot of them do not require experience. Okay, so this is actually a school that I taught in Spain before I came to Italy. If you click here, can I teach English online with no experience? Of course you can. Teaching English online has never been easier with Number 16 School. We offer our wide team of teachers, full support and assistance, as well as initial and ongoing training. So yeah, this school was pretty good to work at. I enjoyed my time there. I left not because of the school. I left because of completely different reasons. I left to move to another country. I'm not trying to advertise this school in particular. I'm just saying that you don't need experience to teach at this school. Their method is conversational, so you don't really need to necessarily know in-depth grammar and things like that. A lot of people are kind of looking for conversational teachers. So even if you're not speaking English, if you're fluent in a different language, like I said before, I think it's still possible to find some conversation classes. You just need a good internet connection, a headset, and a webcam, and a laptop or a computer, and you can find teaching work. Okay, the pay for TEFL teachers is around 10 to 20 an hour. If you look for a Chinese one, hang on, Dave's Essel Cafe. Essel is English speaking language. I don't actually know what the S means. But yeah, this is a really good place to find teaching positions in China. If you're teaching in China, the pay is better. But it's a lot of the time it's teaching kids, Chinese kids, and there's probably quite a lot of them as well. I'm not really into that. I prefer teaching older people. But you know, it's good money. It's even better money. You normally just need a bachelor's degree in any subject, or even if you don't have a bachelor's degree. I had a friend teaching at Number 16 in Spain who didn't have a degree, and he was a really, really good teacher. So yeah, guys, I recommend looking on TEFL.com or ESLcafe.com if you're a native English speaker. If you're not a native English speaker, you can look on Google. I know that there are tutoring places for Italian, for example. Other languages, you can just do your own research and have a look. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is teaching online is a perfect way to start making money when you have zero. And then I wanted to talk about this, which is a slightly different one. I'm currently working through these courses myself. If you have zero money and you have no skills, it's time to learn a skill. Programming is a fantastic skill to get into. If you practice, like it says here, you can learn to code for free using this website. It's fantastic, honestly. I've done the Python course, the data analysis Python course. It's incredible, honestly. It's such a fantastic resource. The people responsible for this website should be really, really happy and proud of the work they've done. It's amazing. I'm currently working through an algorithms course, although I kind of slowed down a little bit. I was doing 4 hours a day before, but I've kind of slowed down a little bit because I'm focusing on other things. Okay, and then the last thing I want to talk about is SEO. How do you actually learn SEO? I think I can show this. I'm not playing any of the videos. This is Ahrefs SEO channel. It is an incredible resource. You can go through all of these videos. You can learn about how to do SEO, etc. So yeah, I'm just basically trying to give you some skills to make money online when you're starting with none. And this is from zero. Okay, so you don't need any money to do any of these techniques. So once you've learned, let's say, programming, then you can go back on Fiverr or Upwork and start looking for jobs. Or if you learn SEO, for example, if you're a writer and you're looking at learning a new skill, you can work on your SEO and then do the same thing. Go to Upwork, go to Fiverr, and work through it. Another good way to learn SEO is to make your own affiliate niche website. If you want to do that, I recommend these guys, Income School. These videos are incredible. These guys are some of the best I've seen. Not just the videos, just their personalities. They're really, really nice guys, and yeah, this Income School is a fantastic resource for learning how to do affiliate niche blogging, which, if you don't know, is basically where you make a website on a topic and you try and get people to click on your links, and every time they buy something, you get a cut of it. I'm sure most of you know what affiliate marketing is, but just in case you didn't, affiliate marketing, you do need a little bit of money to get started because you need to be making a website, you need a domain name. But I mean, it's pretty cheap, so I guess I could include it on this video. Affiliate marketing, it's about $20 to get started for hosting and the web domain. As long as you're writing all your own content, that's pretty much all you need, and then you just need $6.99 a month or however much hosting is. And if you work on that on your affiliate marketing website, you will make good money passively in the future, as long as you do it properly. I recommend checking out Income School Ahrefs YouTube channel if you're interested in SEO. And yeah, I hope this helps, guys. A little bit of a different video today. I just thought I'd try and give you guys some advice for making money online from $0. I haven't really mentioned Redbubble or anything like that because you need Canva for that. So it's not really from $0. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.